The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Guys, very good morning to you. Chad, Steven, guys. If you fellas are here on trial, good morning and welcome. It is indeed a day. Volatility is back. Rich, good morning. Dana, Mark, morning, fellas. We are getting, well, crude is killing us. Plain and simple. Crude is killing us. We've got sellers across the board. They're not completely crazy. We've only got 1,000 net sellers right now in the overnight in NASDAQ. We've got 6,500 right now. Good morning, Jacques, Randy, Sue. Guys, good morning. We've got 6,500 in the ES. We do have some sellers in silver. Crude forget, 21,000 sellers. Mark, good morning. And gold looks like it's trying to, gold's got a shot. There's a trend line. It's going to fight about 81.5. But above that, it can get to 87, 89, and 94. Bonds are strongly bid. Pay attention to bonds. Bonds are strongly bid right now, fellas. I would encourage you guys to trade cautiously. Let me take a quick look at the VIX. I have no doubt the VIX should be up. ES has gone through some pretty good support zones. Yeah, VIX cash is up 5 3/10, almost 4/10 at 46.18. VIX futures up 5 almost 8/10 at 41.33. Currently, the Dow is down 524. S&P is off 47. Nasdaq's off 80. Crude June contract, as we talked about yesterday, they would probably start selling the June contract as well. They are. I think crude has been, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere down near $11 has been the low. I'm into the 13s. Yeah, I mean, I think it's been somewhere around $11. Gold is also taking a beating right now. It looks to me like they're selling everything except bonds. They're buying bonds and the buck. Let's see here. Let me just load some more data on this chart. 10.99, yeah, $11. Yeah, this could be a day, fellas. Let's see here. If bonds can break, above 27, 28, we could trade to 84, 10, 12. But they're going to have to break where they are. There was actually a nice long on bonds this morning early, 523 at 81.15. In any event, guys, good morning and welcome. If you're here on trial, good morning and welcome back. We had no new trial start yesterday, so anybody that's here on trial was here either last week and or yesterday with us, so good morning, welcome back. Decent day yesterday. Let's see on the calendar. Nothing. Existing home sales at 10 o'clock. We do have Netflix earnings this evening. Texas Instruments as well. I have seen Coca-Cola. They beat. I'm not paying any real attention to any of these others, but Coca-Cola beat top and bottom. Hey, Todd, good morning. Guys, I'll quickly read the disclaimer, and we will get on with it. What? U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Again, this is a live trade. First target was just hit, 23 ticks. First target was hit. Okay. It's a live trade, fellas. I took it with one. So first target did its job, first target. Okay. We'll see if we can get final target. At 40, whatever that is, 46 ticks. Going to have support here at 74.3.
Order filled.
Okay. And we made it down to 74. There it goes. Final target, guys, is going to get hit.
Target filled.
Target hit, fellas. Both targets hit. You're welcome, Michael. Both targets hit. I told you. If it shorted, I thought it was a good short. This could come down to 71, 72. Both targets hit. Yep. Nice spot trade. Silver short on the bot. This is not a live trade. This is a sim trade. We'll follow that, monitor it. So we did hit first target on silver to the tick. The Cuomos. Can't stand either one of them. Dude's a little old for nipple rings, don't you think? I'm embarrassed he's Italian. So we keep pushing first target. We should get that first target on the bot here, fellas. Again, this is a sim. There's first trade or first target. So for those of you that are on trial or anybody that watches this, at home, the bot is identifying the targets, not based on your ATM or my ATM. It's identifying the targets based on current market volatility. So it's using a multiple of average true range to identify targets. So I have it currently set to the break even. It's at break even plus 1. So we've seen 2 bot trades today. Actually 3. I missed the first one. I didn't have it on gold. But that went to targets. And then the gold short, which I took with a live account, went to targets. Bonds are still bid.
Target filled.
There you go, guys. $650 trade on silver. This may have shorted when the 377 did. I was paying no attention. This is a sim trade as well. It's not a live trade. But gold is short on the 3-minute. All right, guys, that is your Crable break now, 71.6. So a break of that 71.6 will probably take gold down to 70, a break of 70. It's coming to 66.2. 66.2. So here's another extraordinary trade. Now again, volatility is high, so your stops are going to be bigger. In this case, it was 93 ticks, but the reality is, as long you can trade with fewer contracts as well. There's 70. It's holding 70. It's got to break 70. Get small support at 70. Once 70 goes, it's coming to 66.2. Crude sold. If anybody take that crude trade, I did not because of the stop, but it was a monster. It's a monster trade. I mean, almost 60 ticks. Did anybody take crude? Okay, Jacques. NASDAQ's trying again. I still think NASDAQ's longs. I think NASDAQ trades back up to 43 and works up to 58. There's gold. Come on, trying to break that 70. Should get that first target, fellas. Come on, push them. You got them on the run. It's holding small support at that 70 area. There it goes. Up. Five ticks shy of first target. 5 ticks shy. So one of the things that newer bot owners or those watching may not be aware, you still have complete control over this.
Order filled.
Close the trade. Comes that close to target, close the trade. Just because it's robotic doesn't mean that you have relinquished your control over the bot. You can close the trade, fellas. Okay? ES bot is long. Russell bot is long. $63 is resistance. But we are long. Russell I care less about. I don't trade. Another nice bot trade, fellas. It's about 3 ticks from that first target coming into the open. 65 is going to be a tough nut to crack. Now, I have it set for break-even play. It's literally like 1 or 2 ticks from target. I think one tick from first target. 64 quarter.
Target filled.
There's first target. It's gone break-even +1, and I'll leave it. Okay? And here's the Russell. So that's break-even +1 on the ES. Doesn't matter what happens. Another winning bot trade, guys. And I missed gold because I didn't have the dang bot on. All right, fellas, 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Order filled.
Target
filled.
Here's, there you go. Government assistance to mortgage insurers. We're break even +1 here as well. Fannie and Freddie Mae may buy mortgages that are in forbearance to help mortgage companies. ES hit second target to the tick and did not fill it. Here is the can't move the chart, guys. Ton of volume here. Ton of volume. Russell's got first target is break even +1, going to second target, and I cannot move the ES chart. It hit second target to the tick. RB is coming down. ES is going to 70.5. NASDAQ got to my 43 target, if anybody was patient with that. Next level up. ES got both targets, guys. See if I can move this dang chart now. No. It's all kinds of volume right now. ES is up 900. I'll show it to you afterwards. Russell just hit second target and now filled it. Russell got both. We finished off at, looks like 1.4 billion to sell on the open, 1.39 billion, and did nothing. We should make it up to 57 on the NASDAQ as well. I'd like to see a pullback in here and then a go. Above 58, we're going to 69 on the NASDAQ. Above 58, we go to 69. Crude, if it breaks down below 48, may keep coming. There goes the NASDAQ pulling back. All right, good. Support should be around 30, maybe a slightly lower. Let's see if we hold this area, 30. Russell is still bid. Gold is now long on the 3 minute. Isn't doing anything, but gold is long on the 3 minute. Long gold. You're long gold anyways. Back up into VWAP, it looks like. I'm getting some freezing in charts. Gold is long, guys. 82, 81.9, 81.8. Gold is long. All kinds of volume. I'm getting a little bit of freezing. There's your 3 minute on gold. I am getting some freezing. Dang it. I would have been long on that. You can see I putting my cursor on the chart. There's nothing I can do with it. Anybody take gold? Remember, if you guys take a trade, let me know. There's gold. 87.2, next level up. Okay, Barbara. 87.2. That's the next target. NASDAQ looks like it. Okay, Karen, good for you. The women are showing out. Okay, Greg. Again, I still, cheapers. There we go. Now I think, move that. Man. Man, I missed my short in crude. Below 48. Nice job, Lee. Very good. Great job especially on trial. Nice job. I got that on MES. Hang on, guys. Let me put that on ES. Okay. ES, I missed a short at 61. Bonds pulling back a shard. Crude trying to turn up on small buyers. I mean, they've got 30,000 net sellers in crude. I would be loath to be, other than a scalp, wanting to hold crude. Well, there's your almost 4 billion in selling. ES trying to hold this area, but I think the ES will probably, it's got 5-minute support at 57.25. If that doesn't hold, it comes to 53.54. ES is a short 58. ES is a short 58. I don't like the stop. It's, for me, 63, but it's a short at 58. Should come to 53. If anybody took that trade, should come to 53. NASDAQ's in trouble. It's going to short on the 3-minute. ES is going to roll over as well. Anybody take 58 on the ES, fellas? Is there anybody short 58 on the ES? There's your 53. Okay, John, there's your 53. All right, fellas. Okay, Lee, good job. Randy, great job. So you got your 53 target, basically. Now it's a free trade. If you've got runners, it's a free trade. If we break down below that 47.50,
Target filled.
God darn it.
Order filled.
They're all rolling, fellas. They're all starting to roll. Picking up sellers. NASDAQ's going to have to get a retracement in here if it can find any move, it could get back up to 90. I'm not willing to take a long because it doesn't look like they're done selling this thing yet. All right, we're getting a bounce. Got it. We're going to have to get through resistance at 60 on the NASDAQ. There are no buyers yet. ESI, there's some buyers in the ES. May crude is at $1.32. Awesome. Especially since it looks like a long to me, guys, but it's got to get through 60. If it gets above 60, 59.5, 60, it should pop. Still don't see any buyers, but it looks like they're trying to stabilize it here. If anybody wants it, it's a 60 long with a current 48 stop. You'd be long now, 60 with a 48 stop. I'd hit 60 half. It's trying. First target would be 67. 67. Or 62. Come on, let's go. It's trying, fellas. You can move your stop to 51. Again, sideways here. 67 is what I have for a first target. 67. There's 65. Come on. It's not hit 66. Come on, 67. Don't be a chump. We hit 66.50. Come on, one more push. Then it's free. Stop can move to 55. I'm off by 2 ticks at the moment. I missed that target by 2 ticks. Stop is at 56. Man, it's going to hit stop. Missed by 2 ticks, guys.
Target filled.
I don't know what got target or where. Oh, gold on the 3-minute. Gold got another target. First target on the 3-minute. 53 ticks, guys. First target. The bot has not taken a losing trade yet. Anywhere. It's gone break even +1. This is where I'll shut it off. After this trade. It's made its money all day. We just broke the opening range high, guys. 84.4. I wasn't paying attention. Anybody note that? There's my 87.2. If you guys remember, I said it should go to 87.2. Above that, 89.6. And then 94. It's going to 94, guys. It's going to 94. Okay? After this trade, I will be shutting gold off on the 3-minute. It'll be up significantly. All right. NASDAQ is in a short on the 3-minute. 2 contracts. It's up 465. And it's up 7.8. If it breaks here, 27, it's coming to 85.11. Below 27, it's coming to 85.11. Gold is going to 94 for those of you guys that are position traders or already in the trade. Here is second target coming on this trade. It's going to 94, guys.
Target filled.
There it is. This has taken 3 trades. I'm shutting it off. 3 trades. 3-minute bot, 3 trades, 3 contract trades, up $2,480. Okay? Done. I shut it off. What's the point? And now it's going to go to my target at 67. And then some. Got target now. We could bid all the way back up, fellas, to 86.40. Now I need a pullback to get in long. Again. Looks like we want to roll. Pull back again. Canadian dollar has a bid. Dollar index is pulling back a bit, still well over 100. NASDAQ's breathing hard. Small buyers in here now. Still think we're going to get to 86.17 eventually. 86.17. We're going to have to get through 77, but 86.17 is where this should get. And then potentially 43 and 57. don't have any volatility anywhere, fellas. I get sideways. Well, we're breaking down now, but just sideways. Crude, I've got nothing. 1505, maybe a small long. I've got nothing on crude. Bonds have backed off. Gold. What did we just hit, fellas? Somebody tell me that number. What was that number? 94? Who said that? Where'd that come from? I don't know. If you guys listen and pay attention, who thought I was nuts when I said I was going to 94? $9 ago. Didn't take 30 minutes. Anybody hold it to 94? Anybody? Okay, Barbara, there you go. NASDAQ's going to go bid too at some point. I just don't have the dang trade. That's all right. You made your money. Nice job. Nice job. Whether it's MGC or, the micro or the full, doesn't matter. That 05 is where we broke out from all the way up to 47. Nice job, Patrick. You got your daily goal. Nice job. NASDAQ still has yet to come to target on the bot. It came within a few ticks of target down here, literally about 8 ticks. Bounced all the way up into that resistance up here and is dropping down again. We get 2,400 sellers, small sellers in here. I mean, this is, if I...
Order filled.
I'm watching this crude because I think crude is going to go hooey. There goes NASDAQ. It's trying. Right back up into this stupid zone. Above 75, it's going to go.
Order submitted. Order filled.
This goes above this 77, and it doesn't want to go again. Above 77, it's going to go.
Order filled.
I don't know what just filled where. I'll check in a second. Probably crude. Come on, NASDAQ. Get up through 77.
Order filled.
Guys, it could be bonds. I'll check in a second. NASDAQ's got this stupid resistance now at 72, 75, and 77. Above 77, your target is 88. Now we're stuck here. Come on, pop this, you dummy. Come on, buyers. ES is getting bought. No. Jimmy, I can't read that now. I'm focused on trades, buddy. NASDAQ is got to get above 73, fellas. 73. It's not going to do it. Come on, NASDAQ. Above 73. Let's go. There, maybe. There it goes. Now above 77. There we go. Let's go to 85. Come on, 85. God dang it. Hang on, guys. All right, I'm back, guys. Home sales at 10. And I mean, all of this news is, I'm getting a little freezing in here, guys. There's my 85. 85. Told you, fellas, we're going up. There we go. 87. Target is 86.17. 86.17. That's where we're headed. Tick range is 194. Buying came into the ES first. Gold can now make it to 1705. Crude filled along on the 3-minute bot. Would have been up a mile. Went to 97 from 36. All right, Mark, good job. Nice job, Barbara. You got 88. Mark's done for the day. Guys, if you made your money, go to Sim or DD Mao. This is a 3-minute on the bot in crude. Guys, you have any idea how big a trade this was? 36 entry. It got as high as 97. 60 ticks. $1,800 trade. First target, 71 ticks because of the volatility. Beat. It beat.
Order filled.
Hate when I can't move a chart, fellas. Trial. I'm showing the bot trades when I get them. Because I'm using slightly bigger time frames, again, in more normal times when the VIX is, reasonable, 15, 16, 18, I'll trade Unirankos and 15 range. But with the volatility, I've gone to mostly 3 minutes just to keep out of the chop and the back and forth, right? Consequently, there's not as many trades. But the bots today are up 24, 25, 32, 42, 47, 48, 58 minus 100, 57 and 5, $6,200. Bots are up $6,200 today between crude. Oh, I forgot silver. Like $7,000. And then I supplement it with order flow trades, which, as you can see or have seen, one, my targets are pretty good. And two, I'm fairly accurate. If you can't make money in this room, you can't make money. Stay out of trade rooms. I say that emphatically. Most of these guys are ridiculous. NASDAQ is trying, and I like it longs. I just don't have enough buyers. I do like it longs. There we go. There's my low. Jeez, opening range highs all the way at 86.52. You got to be kidding me. We still have 2,200 net sellers. Trying to push higher. Gold still has a fair amount of net sellers. Looks like we're going to try to pull back right here. Small in the NASDAQ. There it is. A few handles. ES looks like it's trying to come down a little bit as well. You got 5 minute support around 66. A break of 66 takes the ES to 62. NASDAQ's coming down. It's coming down to 62 and then possibly all the way to 55. ES, if it breaks this 66, you have a target at 62. 68 again was the short, 68 half. All right, well, there's your 62 on the NASDAQ. Next level down would be 55. And the ES held that 66, came to 65.50, but anybody have questions? Fellas, anybody? Trying to turn back up. I don't think we're going far. Watch this break here. still picking up sellers. We get these small pockets of buyers and then nothing. Crude got ratcheted again. Damn it. That was a short at 36. I wasn't paying any attention, guys. RB is a short still, or RB is a short.
Order submitted.
If anybody wants an RB short.
Order filled.
NASDAQ is holding 5-minute support. If it breaks below 49, it'll come right down. It's got to come down below 49. We broke out of this. It's got to come below this 49. Come on, break that 49. Held it. Look at this. It's holding that stupid. There's nothing really there, guys, except a previous 3-minute candle. There's nothing there. If it breaks that, it's coming down to 41. 42. We're consolidating. Just got to break here. It won't break. What a piece of work, man. Seriously. What a dog. $70 buyers. 65, 60, 58. There's no real buyers, guys. It's just got to break 49. And then it should come to 42. There it goes. Nope. Held it again. Guess where support is? Oh, they had him, and they couldn't hit him. They had him. Come on, you got him on the run. 30 buyers, and they're propping this up. Think you can trade this garbage? My money's on shorts, down to 41, 42. Come on, down to 42. If you break 42, you're coming to 37. Look at this freaking bounce, guys, on 10 lousy buyers. 10. 10. There's no buyers here. This is a joke. It's a straight up joke. Right in the middle of a 3-minute candle. Higher lows. Basically holding that support. There's no trades in here unless you're short with a pretty big stop and a target at 42.
Target filled.
That was your trade. Absolutely. Watch the Crable. We came right to that 41 and held. Now we could bounce back up to 62. Oh, yeah. I missed a big one on crude. I wasn't watching. 41 breaks, we go 37.50. 41 broke. We should do sucked right back up. Should do 37.50. I would expect a bounce at 35, 36 area, 37. Right there. Should bounce. Nope.
Order submitted.
Oh, man. 30 half might be an interesting long. If anybody wants to try a 30 half.
Order filled. Target filled.
Trade workers will be exempt from the Trump immigration ban announced last night. $27.5 here should bounce it as well. Maybe back up to 35. If we break that 27.5 resoundingly, it's coming all the way down to 85.11.
Order filled.
ES also got, I don't know what filled. I'll check in a second, guys. I don't see anything on a bot. Has to be bonds. Nope, crude on the 3 minute is short. Go robotic, baby. Bot's killing it, guys. We'll add it up later, but I don't know that can get 67 ticks, but NASDAQ, I just can't trade, guys. Yeah, there it goes. Now it's breaking. I need a bounce back up to get short. If I could get a bounce somewhere around 39, I would short it with a 50 stop. 11 handles, 12 handles. I can't get a pullback now. This is coming straight to 85.11. If anybody's short, 85.11. Thank you, Jim. I mean, guys, that long, I just gave you that long from about 97 to 05. That took less than 4 minutes. You too, Ryan. Thank you, fellas. Targets hit. You're done with gold. Done with gold. $7, 7-handle trade? Sheesh. Here we come. Come on, buddy. Got to catch this tag here. 99. Target is 95.3, fellas. This would be another like $7 trade. Back-to-back 7-handle trades. Oh, and it bounces on me. Get back below. It's trying to hold that 1700. You've got 5-minute support at that 99. Wasn't watching crude, but crude looks like it may get a small bid. It really should get to 95, 96. Guys, it is 10:30. I have shut off all bots. They have made a staggering sum of money today, mostly in sim. I am trading live accounts. I'm up in both my live accounts. Yes, maybe down to 58. NASDAQ back down. Come on, NASDAQ. What are you going to do? We're to 3,000 sellers now, fellas. I don't like this consolidation on gold here. Take your ticks. Take your ticks, fellas. Go crude is along at 60. 59.60 if anybody wants it. 59.60. Your stop has to be, best stop right now is 35. 59.60 with a 35. First, there it goes. First target is going to be 71. And then free. Maybe 74 even. There goes a free fall on the YM. There's NASDAQ now hit my 85.11 target. ES is turning over on the bot. I have them off. But the ES is rolling over. There's that 58 target. Excuse me. This is a live bot trade. Okay, one contract, live bot trade on the ES. It's a live bot trade. It could come down to 47. Now, you guys know I'm not a huge proponent of trading this ES when it slows down, but we'll see what we get. I got ticks. I'm going to leave it on, see if it goes to target. I don't care what it does. Okay? It's your live bot trade. I'm not touching it. I'm not taking it off. It's either going to stop or it's going to target. You know, we keep getting closer and closer. 54 ticks to target, 6.5 handles. Come on, you stinker-rooney. Go get that target. And another bounce. This is why I hate the ES, guys, when it starts trading like the ES. That's why I stopped trading it. I like it when it's pinging around. You know, right now it's at 28 tick range. It's just slow. I like the ES when it gets up around 60, 70, and it starts mimicking the NASDAQ. Little bit of support here again at 53 quarter half. It's got to push down through that. I mean, it should work down to 47.50 today even. Here's what I'm seeing though on the ES. If you're in it, you may want to take your money. You got this bull flag. It didn't break. This could go back to 60.
Italian bond yields continue to push higher as bond prices under pressure in the peripheral part of Europe, particularly for the supply. The German 10-year yield remains lower.
Times at 1046. Gold came to 96.2. Not quite to $50, $95. And here we go. Another assault. Another attempt. Let's see if we can get target. Again, it's a live trade, guys. One contract. There we go. Push down. So annoying, the ES. This is so annoying. That's why I don't trade this thing, guys. But again, this is a live trade. Come on, break down. Come on, buddy. Oh, double bottomed here at 51.50, 75. It's got to break that, and it's coming to 47. There it goes. Come on. Lower low again. Lower highs. Come on. Hit target, didn't fill. To the tick. Hit it to the tick. 50 half to the tick.
Target filled.
Got it. Okay. Got it. You guys good? Anybody take the trade? I'll take 6.5 points. Oh, I generally don't have the patience to trade that son of a gun. That seriously is annoying. The ES is seriously annoying to me. I don't know how guys can trade it. According to me, you came, where were you short? 98.2. Yeah, same place. I would have been in at 98. How did you not get first target? You should have been pretty darn close. I don't think it's coming to 95. I almost would be long with a stop at 92, but I'm not. It's a 7-handle stop. I probably would have taken my money. So the ES and SIM is up $900, and then one contract on a live trade, 6.5 handles. So $350, $325 additional. Again, if you guys, your trials end today, and some of you do, if you are unimpressed with what we're doing in this room, there is nothing I or anyone can do to help. Does anybody have any questions, guys? Anybody? I mean, I'm with you, Stephen. Gold target, 05 half is one, and then 7.7 is another. 5 half and 7.7. It's trying. I think you certainly get 5. I don't have a YM bot, Dana. I don't trade the YM. Hey, you were going to send me an email to do a one-on-one, and I did not see an email from you. You know what? I'll bet I did. I deleted it when I know, I did. I deleted your email when I added you to Skype. How about tomorrow at 12 noon? Tomorrow at noon Eastern. Guys, give me 1 minute. I'm just going to go get coffee. Very quickly, guys, go through my charts. Okay, here are your freezing again. Here are your bot trades for the day. Gold on a 3-minute was up $2,480. I think it took 3 trades. Russell was up 710. Somebody want to add these? 2,480 and 710. Silver took 1 trade on the bot for $650. Okay. Now on gold, in addition to the 2480, I had a live trade for 430. I'll show you guys my live accounts in a minute. The ES took a bot trade for $900. In addition, I took a live trade for another 6.5 handles, $325 more. Okay. The NASDAQ, 135. I closed out that short, but it would have gone to targets. Up 135. And then crude on the 3-minute, up 440. 3 trades, 2 winners and a loser on crude. And then on live accounts, this is 1 live account. And come on, man, give me another Dom. I can't move a Dom. There it is. Here's my other. Oh, I'm freezing, fellas. There's my other live account. Okay, 2 live accounts. Okay. Now, on this account that's up 345, I came into the session from last evening down. I took a loss on a NASDAQ trade, and I took a 30-tick hit on gold. So I came in down, and I'm up 345 there. So we got 658 live and 5320 on bot trades, sim trades. Oh, no, we don't. We do not. Bonds. Bonds took 1 trade, losing trade for 750. Okay? And we sold off again. Good Lord, I should have taken that. Hindsight's great. In any event, so we finished up about, 4,600, 4,700, something like that on bot trades plus live trades. You get a Dom because the trade never leaves your Dom. She didn't know that. She didn't have a Dom.